Andrea here, and we are off to do a mini album walkthrough. This is our Anna Griffin mini album. Okay, so this is our front. We put on lots of fabric flowers and roses. Turned out really cute. And then we have some crystal detail around the edges. And then we have pearls on the top here and on the bottom. And then this is a glass drawer knob. I picked up a bunch of them at Savers. If you check an old Savers video, you would find it. Okay, and then we have our spine. That turned out really cute. This is a little dangle from this, actually. And then here's our back. Very pretty to me. I like it. Then we have our closure, which is done with 2 eyelets and some elastic, decorative elastic, and then it hooks onto the little knob here, and it comes with a key dangle. So it's really cute. It just goes like that. Like, it's really neat. Okay, let's open her up. Oh no, we got a bend in our rose. Oh no. Okay. This is our inside pocket. We have 2 little tags, and they are the same size. 2 of those. Then we have our second page. We have a little envelope that pops up like that with Velcro closure, and then there's a little tag in here, a little bifold tag. It's black on the inside. Okay, that slips right in here. There we go. Then these are Anna Griffin flowers. They are die cuts that I got with a paperback. Alright, there's a little pocket behind the envelope, and that one also has a tag that opens up. Okay. Put that in there. We have a metal and ribbon closure. The metal here is bronze, and then we put a pearl, decorative pearl on the middle of it. You just pull that off, and you lift this up, and you will get this space here, this space here, and this one has a pocket with a tag. It's also, I was really into the bifold, I think. So that's how that looks. Because I think almost everything has a bifold in it. And this just closes it up with a magnet. Let's push that tag in properly. There we go. Alright, this is an angle pocket. We put some rhinestones here, and then we have our tag that goes inside. And on this tag, let me see if I can find some, you can put a picture behind it. There. And do the same for here on the back. Then you open it up. You could put one here underneath the leaves, like so. And then over here, there, like so. So those are some tuck spots in our tag. Then we have this page here. This is a pocket here with a tag. And put that tag back in there. Okay, then we have this pocket here with a tag. And then you flip this up and you get this space here. And then there's a tuck spot that holds a tag as well. Okay, see if I can get this in here. Alright, I'll get it in a minute. All right, then we have, this is our little flip page that we've decorated with a Desire die. Show you which one it is. It is this one. You see it better. There we go. It's a really fancy die. I love it because it does some really fancy work. And then this flips up. We got a bowl with a pearl on it to decorate that page. This flips up to here. Then you have this one that flips down. I like that. And then the space in the middle. Alright, we have our waterfall page. I think every mini album should have a waterfall page. I don't know why. I mean, I do know why. Because you can get so many pictures in a waterfall. I mean, there's 2, 4, 6. Oh my goodness. 8, 10, and then your base here, 12. So I think that's pretty. 12 pictures on one page. That's pretty good. All right, we'll tie that off later. Now we have this is a graduated page. So you open up this one, which has a Velcro closure, and then it graduates to this long one here, and then you have a base page along with this one. And then we have pearls on this page, like a little necklace, very cute. Over here we have bronze elements. This is 2 of them, and then a crystal in the middle. This is a pocket, so you have a tag there. So, and then this is a flip. Turned out really cute. And then you flip up your pocket and you run into another pocket. Then you have a tag in there. Put that down, you're ready to go. Okay, then we have this flip page. There's 2 pockets on this one with tags. So there's one tag and there's the other tag. Put those back later. This flips up. These are doors, and you just pop that up. It's magnetized, and then they open up like so. And then this is a pocket, nice big one with a big tag. Okay, that flips back down. Then we did this page here. This is one of my favorite pages. It is closed with a ribbon, and you just grab this first one here. Alright, and you pull up. You pull up and you pull out like so. This has a pocket with bronze embellishments and a paper bow with a pearl, and then the pocket has 2 tags. Like so. There you go. All right. And then you grab this corner here and this corner here, and you pull it straight down. This was a great way to kind of make one page into multiple pages, and I love, love, love how it turned out. So it was really easy to do, so check out the video and you'll be able to do it too. Okay, we will move on. These are, oh yeah, well hello, I gotta show you the back. Yeah, let me show you the back of that flip. So we have a tag here, and we have 2 tags here. We have a angled pocket and a straight pocket, plus another bronze element. Okay, now I can shut that and we can move to this page. This page is a belly band with a tag and rose on the back. And that's a simple page. And then we did this page here, and it has a bow with a pearl and then some flowers. And you need to pull it up and not stick your tag. Your tag is not supposed to come up with it. Alright, so when you pull it up, okay, you pull it up, and then you take your corner here, and you flip it this way. And then you take your corner here, and you flip it that way. And that's this page. So you got plenty of photos in here that you can, or you could put plenty of photos in here. So close that back up, and it is magnetized. Make sure I don't lose these. And we'll turn the page. We have a simple pocket page with some tags in here. Tags are really cute. So, like so. And then here we have another simple page with it's a pocket on the side. And then we have 3 tags in here. There we go. Pull all 3 out. This one says True Love. And this one says Love. And there's our tag. I really had a blast making this mini album using all of the Anna Griffin paper that I had around the house. We didn't use just one paper pad. We used multiple ones. And check out the first video so you can see which multiple ones we actually picked up. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll be glad to get back to you. Have a great one. Bye.